Morado? Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Wong. We have a lot of new messages. I was checking these messages when the telephone rang. Wow, Mr. Wong, you look so modern.
No comments, please.
Unit 1, Lesson 18. Samuel was chewing gum when the teacher arrived. ¿Serán capaces de identificar que cuando las estructuras pasado simple y pasado continuo son usadas en un mismo enunciado, la acción o situación descrita en pasado simple interrumpe la acción descrita en pasado continuo?
Hola a todos, ¿cómo les va hoy? Estamos de vuelta con otro misterio que Mr. Wong y compañía deben resolver.
Pero antes recordemos el tema del programa anterior, ya que lo seguiremos utilizando el día de hoy. Se trata del pasado continuo.
You say that yesterday, Agatha was watching TV and she was sleeping, right, Bloody?
What? Did you say that about me?
I was cleaning the house last night.
No, you weren't. I was cooking dinner last night. You were sleeping in front of the TV.
Oh, no! I was sweeping the floor. You were eating chips, lazy woman.
Como ya te comentamos, el día de hoy volveremos a utilizar el pasado continuo, pero en esta ocasión viene acompañado.
Así es, el tema de hoy se trata de oraciones que tienen dos partes. Una parte está en pasado continuo. Pon mucha atención y descubre en qué tiempo está conjugada la otra parte de la oración.
Comenzamos.
I don't know how it happened. I was cleaning the mirror when I saw my hair. It was purple. I don't know why.
Are you worried about something? Maybe your hair changed color because you are nervous.
No, I don't think so, James. But yes, Mr. Wong, it's very strange. When you were talking, I thought of something. I'm sure someone did this.
Yes, I agree, Mystery. But I have no idea how it happened.
Veamos lo que sucedió ayer.
La. Bloody. Don't you get tired of Mr. Wong?
Oh, yes. I don't like him very much.
I was listening to music when I remembered how much I hate him. Would you like to do something nasty to him?
Oh, yes. Sure, my dear. Very much.
Yesterday, I was reading the newspaper when I found this.
Oh.
It's the perfect way to get revenge.
Oh. Let me see. Well... yes, it could be a lot of fun also.
Here's my plan. Buy a bottle of it. Then you have to...
Now I remember something. When I woke up, my hair was looking normal. Yes, it changed when I was taking a bath.
Did you use a different shampoo?
No, but it's possible that someone walked into my apartment when I was sleeping, and maybe they put something in my shampoo.
Or maybe it was something in the water deposit.
Yes, that sounds possible. Anyway, I'm in trouble. I have to give an interview today, and my hair is long and purple.
Do you have an interview? I didn't know about that.
I was working on a case yesterday when Miss Gossip called me. She said they want to interview me on Channel 8. It starts in 2 hours.
2 hours? I don't think we can fix your hair in 2 hours. Don't you want to wear a wig?
A week? Of course not. What an awful situation.
We need help. Let me call Sophie and Alex.
How can they help me?
Let me think.
Oh, we're very excited, aren't we? I can't wait to see Mr. Wong's purple hair on TV. I can't wait.
Oh, here you go. Did I miss anything?
Nothing. They announced the interview when you were making popcorn. Turn off the light, Bloody.
Yes. Oh, listen, it's about to begin.
As we told you earlier, here's Mr. Charlie Wong. He's a great detective, and we want to interview him.
Look at him, Bloody. He looks so ridiculous.
Oh, yes. He's very nervous.
Good morning. Thanks for the invitation. I came with my team. I hope it's okay.
Of course,
Oh.
that's fine.
Thank you. I was waiting outside when I realized it would be a good idea to bring my team here.
Welcome. Could you please introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Sandy Lutry. I organize the office and help Mr. Wong with his cases.
I'm James Toot. I also work with Mr. Wong, and I help him solve cases.
Oh, and here's my star reporter, Miss Sophia.
Yes, Miss Gossip. We want to show everybody that we are part of a team. We painted our hair when we were solving a case with Mr. Wong.
That's true, Miss Gossip. We help Mr. Wong when he works on complicated cases. So we are part of his team.
Well, you all have purple hair. That's very strange.
And we also want to show you that we are a team.
And that we all feel young.
Besides, we look great. I was looking at myself in the mirror 1 hour ago when I thought, hey, I look handsome.
This is my team, Miss Gossip. A team that fights for justice.
Thank you, Mr. Wong. Now, I am going to
They
call
have
my
purple
reporter
hair.
because I am
They look
part of the
awful.
team.
That's great.
Yes, Bloody. They're ridiculous.
Yes.
I'm so happy. It's like taking the best revenge.
Hello? Hello?
Charlie,
Oh.
good morning.
Hello. Good morning, Isabella.
How is your hair doing?
Well, it's still purple. That day, when we were walking to the office, I decided to keep my hair purple for a few days at least.
That's good, because something happened. Today, when I was having my breakfast, I heard some good news on the TV.
What are you talking about? I don't have a TV here at the office.
Ask Mr. Toot to buy you the newspaper. Goodbye, Charlie. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, Isabella.
What's going on? Why does everyone have purple hair?
Oh, Maybe it's because Mr. Wong and his people. I guess the purple hair became popular when they were doing the interview.
I know that's what happened. It's obvious. But I don't understand why they're copying Mr. Wong. Is everybody crazy?
I don't know. But it doesn't look so bad. Oh, you look beautiful with purple hair.
Oh, shut up! This is your fault.
Oh, no! Why? Oh, I mean, yes, my dear, it's my fault.
Al principio del programa te dijimos que las oraciones de hoy tienen dos partes. Una está en pasado continuo. ¿Lograste identificar en qué tiempo está la segunda parte? Observa el siguiente ejemplo. Mr. Wong was walking when he saw an accident.
Muy bien. La segunda parte está en pasado simple. Ahora, esta oración significa: Mr. Wong estaba caminando cuando vio un accidente.
¿Cuándo debemos utilizar el pasado continuo y el pasado simple en una misma oración? Pon mucha atención en las siguientes oraciones. They were playing soccer when it started to rain. Ellos estaban jugando fútbol cuando empezó a llover.
He was driving when his cell phone rang. Él estaba manejando cuando su celular sonó.
Como te diste cuenta, el pasado continuo se utiliza para hablar de una acción que estaba ocurriendo, y el pasado simple para hablar de una acción que interrumpe o que ocurre cuando otra acción se está desarrollando.
Va de nuevo. He was driving when his cell phone rang. La acción que estaba ocurriendo es he was driving. Él estaba manejando. Y la acción que interrumpe o que ocurre de repente es when his cell phone rang. Cuando su celular sonó. Bien, ahora se trata de que ustedes formen enunciados similares.
A continuación verán algunos enunciados incompletos. En los huecos aparecerán verbos. Se trata de conjugarlos en pasado continuo o pasado simple. ¿Listos?
La forma correcta del enunciado sería: I was reading a book when my mother arrived. Yo estaba leyendo un libro cuando mi mamá llegó.
El enunciado debería quedar como sigue. He was walking when it started to rain. Él estaba caminando cuando empezó a llover.
El enunciado correcto sería: We were dancing when the music stopped. Nosotros estábamos bailando cuando la música se detuvo.
Lo que aprendimos en la lección de hoy fue a hacer enunciados más elaborados que en otras ocasiones. A primera vista pueden parecer complicados, pero ya verán que se trata de una regla muy sencilla.
De cualquier forma, el siguiente episodio estará dedicado al mismo tema para que no quede ni la menor duda de cómo hacerlo.
Hasta entonces, esperamos que se la pasen muy bien. Nos vemos aquí mismo.